Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical and electronics graduate, electronics and communication graduate. So three department people can make use of it: mechanical, triple E and ECE. So name of the title, that is company, is Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited have now released the advertisement for calling for various posts. It is a government rated one, and it's a wonderful opportunity for all those who want to work under such a environment. So I will be telling in detail. So this is the official website of Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation. When you see, you can see three dots here. So when you press the three dots, you will be getting many things like this. In that, you have to choose career. Choose careers. So I will be directed to this page. Here you can see the job vacancies. So first one is recruitment notification of O and M personnel non-executives. So 24 various posts they have been released. So now they are inviting an application for young, dynamic and motivated person of the Indian nationality for following categories of non-executive posts. See here: station controller, customer relation assistant, junior engineer, maintainer. So we will be focusing mainly on junior engineer. So if you are willing, means you can apply here. You can click here for apply for online post, and you can also click here to see various details. So click here for online post. So you will be directed to this page where you need to apply. So here you have to select here first one will be you have to select Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation, and when you scroll down you can see various details of the job post. For station master you have to apply here, for maintenance you have to apply here, for junior engineer you have to apply here. On the right hand side also you will be having some details and also help desk, and in fact if you have any queries also you can mail them to the registered mail ID. So they are given here. So let us check the detail. I will be providing the PDF in the description. So once you click the link, you can read the entire details of the advertisement. So this is the one for recruiting for the non-executive post. So let us see the detail. That is, online registration will be starting from 22nd December, and last date for registration on online application is 21st January 2022. So 1 month time they gave, and payment starts from 22nd December and ends on 21st December. So before 21st you have to pay, you have to apply online and finish the payment details. So date of test is subjected to February. They haven't mentioned the date. So written test will be in the February month. So we will be focusing mainly on junior engineer. So you will be getting around 33,000 to 1 lakh around salary. Job vacancies is 3, and who can apply? What is your qualification is? If you have diploma in mechanical, electrical and electronics, you can apply for this. Even if you have BE or BTech in respective department, you can also apply for it. So let us see in detail. The candidate have to provide the higher education, higher qualification certificates and self-attested copy along with the online application. And most importantly, you have to you can apply only for one post. You can apply for other posts too at the same time. And your job posting will be in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, or any part of GMRC anywhere in Gujarat. So qualification, as I mentioned in the table. Other than that also, if you have any IT or degree or diploma, you can apply. Selection procedure will be: written test will be for 100 marks and Gujarat language test for 20 marks. Examination pattern they have given for various job posting. You just scroll down and see the detail. So it will be of 2 hours. Duration of test will be 120 minutes, and technical question 40, Gujarat language 20, and reasoning 50, apps and general English 15. Like this it will be. If you want to see the syllabus, you can download the syllabus from the official website. See, they also given the link here for seeing the syllabus. Penalty for wrong answers is there. That is 1/4 of mark will be assigned for wrong answer, and if you didn't take anything, means no penalty will be there. So see here, once during the training period, so this is the during the training period they will be giving around 13,000, and after consultation salary you will be getting around 15,000. Once you get permanent means you will be getting around 33 to 1 lakh. So concession is concession, I think so, age relaxation will be there, and payment is if you are general or unreserved means you will have to pay 600 rupees. If you are SC/BC or OBC, you have to pay 300. If you are SC/ST means 150 rupees. So how to apply is online registration, as I shown the link, and you have to apply online payment of fees, and photograph and signature of this of your candidate have to be uploaded. So 3 things have to be done on or before 21st January, and you have to scan everything and also send to the whatever address they have given. So during the payment, kindly wait, and you can pay in any one of the payment method they given, and on successful completion you will be generated a e-receipt. So that is your final. If no e-receipt is generated, means then payment will be failure. So if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical and electronics, and electronics and communication graduates. It will be great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned to the channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.